Hello everybody, welcome back to one more episode of XCOM 2. I say that as if it's gonna be the last. I hope it's not the last. Today we're going on guerrilla Operation Tomb Steed to protect the device. Moderate difficulty, 152 supplies. We're taking out Wiener, Nieves, Ramsey, Batten, and Wallback. Let's go. Last two missions have been pretty messy, so hopefully we can get things back on track here. Good mission, nice. Alright. Okay. Got worried for a second there. It just freezes on me. I think it's gonna crash. Thankfully, nothing happened, so we're good to go. Alright. Let's move up. Let's grab this device. We have us move up. Yeah. Over here. Mikey, we're gonna put you up top here just to balance things out. Move up. Lucas. Timothy. Up there. And Othello up here. Alright, nice. Keep going. Alright, nice. Mikey, move up. And then just a little further. Nieves, get over here. Looks like we found something. Oh, alright. This is where things start to get tough, I'd imagine. We were already starting to see mechs deployed. Right, so we're probably going to want to open with the grenade to shred that mech's armor and do a little damage to it. Right. Oh, Jesus. What? Oh, don't tell me it's spotting us. What? Okay, I guess. Just stand there. Alright, so looks like we've already found... Yeah. Mikey's the only one that sees it. Alright. Let's go down here. Just make sure that nobody's in a position to be flanked by that mech, because that could get really nasty really fast. Like, I'm actually concerned because that mech's got high ground on us. If it flanks somebody, it could very easily kill them. Alright. Well, let's see. Looks like we don't see the mech anymore, so that's good. So let's see. Lucas, can you get... That doesn't look like it. Alright. Yeah, Mikey, I'm gonna say move over here, just to make sure that we don't get flanked by that other mech that's on the bridge. Once the other pod's activated, I don't really care about it, but you know, for now we could very easily completely screw everything up. Ah, shit, put Lucas in a really bad spot. Oh no! Alright. Thankfully it's a sectoid that saw him, not the mech, so the mech won't take a shot on him. That would be really nasty if it decided to actually do something to him. Alright, move, yes, thank you. Okay, missed shots are not what we need right now. At least that sectoid has made himself a very easy target for us now, so I'm not too terribly concerned about killing it. The mech is definitely top priority right now. Top. Yeah, so Mikey, take a shot on sectoid. It's not enough. Not quite there. Alright, let's see. Right. Lucas, go over here. It's even. Damn it. Alright. Well, mech is taking top priority here. I don't really care about the sectoid at this point. It's not really going to do anything anyway, so let's focus fire on this big mechanized behemoth. Oh, that was not the time. That was not time for us to start missing shots. Right. Timothy, let's move you over here. Lucas, get back here. Fire. Nice. Alright, we shredded and we're doing good damage. Alright. Yeah, we can kill it now, so take it out. Ooh, alright. And Diego killed sectoid. Alright, cool. Crisis averted. Say the least. Alright. Now I reckon that either A, the mech that was up here will now come down and activate on us, or that pod will come from over there and activate. Whatever it is. Alright. Looks like that pod's over there, so won't be seeing them for a while. Only move up until absolutely necessary. Yeah, alright, there we go. Sure. Oh. Alright, I guess. That's a very strange shot. But sure, I'll take it. Alright. Alright. Oh, Diego? Nice one. Good shot. Alright, and the mech? Alright, it's up there. It's just gonna sit there comfortably. Alright, let's see. Who needs a promotion? Probably out of everyone here, we'll give it to Timothy. Don't miss. Nice. Cool. Alright. Let's see here. Let's go ahead and just put everyone on Overwatch again. Alright. Nothing yet. Alright. We found the gear, so. Alright, they're over there. Right, well they, yep, they're here now. Alright, cool. Alright, cool. Nice one. And the stun lancer's just not gonna do anything. Alright, well, Lucas, move up. blast this open, I guess. Or do that. That works too.
Status confirmed. All hostiles are down and the area is secure. Status confirmed. Mission accomplished.
Nice. Alright. Killed 2 max, so that's good. So they're not actually that threatening on rookie difficulty. They're usually a lot worse on, like, legend or commander, because otherwise they'd just be... Ooh. Alright. Unfortunately, we did take that wound on Lucas, but that wasn't too terrible. It just might be out for like a week or something. We have plenty of Grenadiers in store that can place him for the next 2 missions. Just glad that it was a sectoid, not the mech that spotted him, because that could have been a lot worse if it was the robot. Yeah, 10 days. That's not horrible. Alright, it's promotions. Go with suppression, I think. It's because, demolition's not going to do us a whole lot as the game carries on. So, Team and Nieves, we'll take revival just because we won't be able to hack anything once tech score starts to go up. No, definitely going to use that. Let's see. Advanced here trigger an alien data cache. Interesting. Right. Cache, mech breakdown. Thank you, mysterious council person. Distress beacon. Find a scientist, which, I guess. Okay, I don't know where we're going, but sure, go there, I guess. Alright, go ahead and we'll scan for the... No, go get the scientist first, and then we'll pick up the supply raid. Because we don't want to trigger it too early and then have to do it. Alright. Just gonna scan here. Alright, hopefully the supply raid won't expire anytime soon. Nice. Right, so picked up scientist for... I think there's like a certain amount you need to have to build the shower chamber or something like that. I don't know. But, yeah. We'll just scan for here, and we'll... Nice. Alright, so let's go there. We'll staff the second engineer down here. Thank you, Tigan, for the reminder. Alright. I think what we're gonna do here is we're gonna choose a project. Probably do Skulljack and Mechanized Warfare. Actually, we're gonna put one of our engineers in here. Just to cut down the time that takes for each of these. And we'll probably put the Spark first, actually. Yeah, 5 days. It shouldn't be too much. It's basically the average training time of a squaddy, which is, a neat little coincidence. Alright, Avatar is not lighting up.
Commander, the aliens continue to make progress on the Avatar project. If we're going to slow them down, we'll need to move fast.
Thank you for the reminder, Bradford. Oh, jeez. Alright, these cannot leave us alone, can they? Alright. We got retaliation number 2 up ahead. I reckon this could be pretty normal. Just I think the only thing that's new here is the mechs. So we'll just build up a team. I think we're gonna take Othello, Nieves, take Amina, even though she's shaken, just because we need to get that status off her somehow. Let's bring Timothy, maybe. Do we need to bring him? Or let's see here. Definitely bring Mikey. And do we bring him or do we bring a friend? I think we'll bring Fran instead. Just because we don't really need 2 rangers at the moment for anything. and just give you your default guns. Alright, let's make utility items available. So I'm gonna give Sangara the flashbang. Alright, so it's time in Operation Sleeping Stroke. We're going to be stopping an advent retaliation, mark difficulty, and we'll be taking out Ramsey, Nieves, Sangara, Spectre, and Weaner. Hope you all enjoyed, and have a good rest of your day. Thank you for watching.